After exploring Ganpatipure temple, I was exploring ancient Konkan and Ratnagiri fort. Prachin Konkan is a museum which is located in Ganpatipure at a walkable distance from Ganpati temple. I must say that this is a treat to those people who really wants to feel the real essence of Konkan villages.
हजारो वर्षांपूर्वी भगवान परशुराम होऊन गेले. त्यांनी संपूर्ण पृथ्वी जिंकून घेतली आणि जिंकून घेतलेली सर्व पृथ्वी दान केली. दान केलेली कोणतीही गोष्ट आपण स्वतःसाठी वापरत नाही, परंतु त्यांना राहण्यासाठी भूमी आवश्यक होती. म्हणून त्यांनी आपण ज्या ठिकाणी उभे आहोत त्या ठिकाणी हजारो वर्षांपूर्वी समुद्र होता. त्यांनी त्याच्याशी युद्ध केले आणि त्याला 40 ते 50 किलोमीटर पाठीमागे ढकलले आणि या सुंदर कोकण प्रदेशाची निर्मिती केली. म्हणून या कोकण प्रदेशाला परशुरामाची भूमी असेही.
Carved in clay and wood, the ancient village would ideally look like this. There are guides who will take you through the entire museum and enthusiastically explain of trade and civilization of ancient Konkan. Museum has been displaying different occupations, caves, Wali paintings, local deities, different professions, barber, village head, ancient games, lifestyle, and a replica of farmer's house. One of my favorites is the swing that you see, this beautiful one.
हे लाकडी शेवयांचे यंत्र आहे. हे लोखंडी शेवयांचे यंत्र आहे. तो टिफिन बॉक्स आहे. वरती पाण्याचा तांब्या, खाली 3 डब्बे, 2 बाजूने चमचे आणि दोन्ही बाजूने लॉक केला आहे. त्याच्या बाजूला ती चहाची कितळी आहे आणि ही दगडी उखळ आहे. याच्यामध्ये पूर्वी भाताचे पोहे काढले जातात.
These are earthen pottery, and this goes on the entire picture of the village. When you see these wooden artifacts, it's a specialty of Savantawadi. Yeah, they are known for making these wooden arts. This is a depiction of Maleshwar temple, actually located at Sangameshwar, dedicated to Lord Shiva. Hope you did feel the Konkan village along with. And trust me guys, this rooftop is amazing. You must walk it and have a view. It gives you chills, but it's fun.
Pretty good, yeah. You can see below, it's quite deep.
While we reach at the top of the museum, there is a stall. People can buy eatables, spices, and can also quench the thirst by having refreshing drinks. And these are these metallic faces of Ravana and animals like horses and lion. If you know what you really call them, just write down in the comment box. But I really loved that. I could take some pictures for memory. One thing that is restricted is a pearl and shell collection display. You cannot shoot.
It's good fun.
Stay tuned to the next episode wherein a mega fort and the breathtaking view will await you. That's Jaigarh Fort. But let's go to Ratnagiri Fort in Ratnagiri. There is an interesting story behind the birth of goddess Ratneshwari or Devi Bhagwati. She is sister of Ambabai of Kolhapur, who took birth to kill the demon Ratnasur. The horseshoe-shaped fort is called Ratnadurg or Bhagwati Fort. This fort was built during the Bahmani period, that's around 12th century. This was conquered by Adil Shah, that in turn was won by Shivaji Maharaj in 1670.
We are at Ratnagiri Fort and this has been really awesome place. The area that it captures is really huge. We have this gigantic sea view. A lot of people do visit here. That's the area of the entire fort and it covers the entire surrounding. The area could be protected by invaders.
From 1710 to 1755, it was kept by Angrez and possessed by Peshwas up to 1810. The Queen of Jhansi has visited this fort before the Battle of 1857.
See that view, guys. That's the sea. That's the peak of the mountain and the whole area has the wall. Okay, that's the fort area.
The picture that you see in the video is the most popular Kuladevat in Maharashtra, which is Khandoba.
That's a tunnel that we can see. Now what you see is only plastic there, but once upon a time this was used as a escape way, or to hide and then again come back with a full force and attack enemy. There's one small tunnel there, the hole that you can see, and looks like there's one more escape route which will connect to the other route. We have noticed this many a times whenever we have visited fort. So there's water conservation that always happens. That's the well of the fort.
Important thing, don't forget to subscribe, because nobody charging you anything than that of very few KB of data. Yeah, so please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that every time I put a video you'll get a notification. And seriously put that like and comment. They are so very important to boost my energy. So let me keep working, guys, very hard. Keep commenting and keep liking the video.